We're going to start by loading in our stretch film or stretch wrap. Firstly, the product we use on this machine is a 450mm 20 micron. A 20 micron is a must. It's where you get your cost saving and your stretch on your plastic. To load this in, you got to make sure that the film comes out in a clockwise direction. If I place that there, clockwise, and unroll. Okay, we're going to open the door. In here we have our locating post and film holder. Film goes in. Locating plate back on. Plastic straight down in between the rubber roller and the frame of the pre-stretch unit. And close this. We're gonna go to the opposite end. There's a latch up top, which we push to unlock and open. That brings us to the power pre-stretch unit. To open this door, this little lever needs to be pressed down and open. The film comes straight across over there and close. Now make sure that this door closes and locks into place. Okay. From here, your leading edge goes around and through there, and that's ready. Close the door and lock. Coming up to the control panel, we've got our power up, emergency stop, automatic or hand mode, which we run in automatic. If you're running in hand mode, we can turn the table by turning that on and off. We can also go up and down on the pre-stretch unit in manual mode. But what we want to select is auto, okay. We've got 3 dials here. First one represents speed of the turntable. Second one is speed of the carriage up and down. Third one is how tight you want to make the product. So, clockwise, less tension, anti-clockwise, more tension. We've got the power indicator indicating machine switched on. We have stop and run. Run button we're going to use in automatic. We're going to go into menu page. Number 2 is to select the job mode. And we select 2, and we want to select 1 to run in automatic. And the machine is now set to go. On your turntable, this is adjustable. This is adjustable for different size suitcases, luggage. Okay, going to place our suitcase on there. And we're gonna take the film and tie a basic overhand knot and slot it. Once your suitcase is on and more or less in the middle, we're going to start. At the end of auto cycle, machine will stop, tear off the plastic, and lift that up, and that's a wrap.